So the remaining topic we are going to continue this one, that is degrees of comparison or the degrees. So in the last lecture we have seen positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Some examples we have seen, but remaining example I am going to teach you. So the fifth example from the no other. Sentence begins with no other. So the sentence is no other subject is as easy as English. Okay. So here as two words are there, and between two as there is a easy word. So it is a adjective. Okay. So positive adjective is there. So this sentence will change into English is easier than any other language. So this one is the positive degree and this one is the comparative degree. What is the change? You see, the last word we have to take first, that is English. After that, what is the verb is? Is we have to take here as it is. After that, we have to remove as word because it is a comparative. So in comparative, as words will not come. So this is a phrase, as is a phrase, it will not come in the comparative. So the word easy will change into easier. Er will join the word. So easy, easier than any other language. After that, this sentence become comparative. Now see, superlative degree. Last letter will come first. This is the English word. English, the verb that is auxiliary verb is. English is the. You know, in the superlative degree, the is the important word. So English is the. So now easier will change into easiest because it is the superlative form of the adjective. English is the easiest of all languages. That is, English is the easiest language or subject of all languages. Now 5 examples we have seen here of no other. Before that we have seen 2 to 3 examples for the simple sentences. Now the next part, that is the third type, very few. So sentences begins with very few. See the first example. Very few students are as clever as Arun. Suppose in the class Arun is clever, but very few students are as clever as Arun. So the meaning of the sentence is that not only Arun is clever in the class, but remaining or few students are also clever like Arun. So see the changes of positive degree to comparative. This one is the positive degree. Now see, Arun, the last word will come first, Arun. What is the auxiliary? Here are. Are is the present auxiliary. So and is also present because for the Arun singular subject we have to use is. And here students are the plural noun, so we have to use are. So Arun is cleverer. So the word clever comes with er form because in the comparative we see the er or more words are joined with the adjective. So Arun is cleverer than many other students. Arun is cleverer than many other students. So this sentence will become comparative now. Now see the last change of the sentence, superlative degree. So what is the superlative degree? Arun is one of the. One of the means from them. He is one of them or one of the cleverest student. Means Arun is one of the clever students from the class or in the class. Now next example, very few kings were as great as Shivaji Maharaj. So very few kings means not only Shivaji Maharaj was great, but very few kings were great like Shivaji Maharaj. This is the meaning of this sentence. But if we want to change this sentence into comparative, so see the changes in that sentence. The last word, that is Shivaji Maharaj, will come first according to the rule. So Shivaji Maharaj. After that, what is the verb? Verb, that is auxiliary or helping verbs. Were is for the plural noun, but here is the singular noun, so what we are using was Shivaji Maharaj. Now the great word will change into comparative form of adjective. So greater, and as words will remove. So great will change into greater. After that we are going to continue change this sentence into comparative. So than word is very important in the comparative degree. So what we are using than many other. So see the changes. Here we are using any other in the no other form, but in the, when we are going to change the sentences of very few, that time instead of than any other we are taking here than many other. So I will give the formula at the end of the lecture. So before that, see this sentence again. Shivaji Maharaj was greater than many other kings. Now the superlative degrees or this sentence will change also in superlative degree. So see the superlative degree of this sentence. Shivaji Maharaj, see, Shivaji Maharaj was one of the means not he was only great but other kings also were great that time. So Shivaji Maharaj was one of the greatest king. So this sentence will now change into superlative. Now the next sentence, that is the third example for the very few sentence. So very few writers were as comic as P.L. Deshpande. Okay, that is Pula Deshpande. So very few writers were as comic as P.L. Deshpande. So the last word we will take first, P.L. Deshpande. So for the singular noun we are taking here was. Okay, P.L. Deshpande was more comic than many other writers. So now it will change into comparative. Now see the superlative degree, that is P.L. Deshpande was one of the most comic writer, and then full stop, and it is a superlative. So what I am writing here, superlative. Now see the last sentence of very few. So very few countries are as rich as America. Means that America is rich, but not only his rich country but other countries also. So America is richer than many other countries. Means America is richer than many other countries. But the superlative form of the degree is, what is the superlative form? So America is one of the richest country. So here countries and here country, because of many other countries and one of the richest country. So what one of means singular and many other means plural. So what countries and countries, this is the difference here. So now I am giving the formula. How we have to remember the formulas to change the sentences of positive, comparative and superlative. So see the formulas which are very important. See one, first one, that is while going to change the sentence of no other. If the sentence begins with no other or the positive degree, see the changes. Okay, so in the positive degree no other is there, but in the comparative, so in the comparative what will come here? Than many other, and in superlative of all. So these words you have to remember. In the positive degree of no other, the sentence begins with no other. That time in the comparative, than many other will be there while changing the sentence into comparative degree. And in the superlative degree, of all is there. See the sentences again, you will find these words in the no other sentences. And for the very few sentences, okay, in the very few sentence, in the positive, the sentence begins with very few. In the comparative, the sentence, in that sentence, than, instead of many other you have to take, than any other. And for the superlative, what will come? That is here of all, but here one of the. This word will come there. So very few, after that in comparative than any other, and in superlative one of the. And in for the sentences of no other, in the positive degree you find no other at the beginning. In the comparative degree, in the middle part of the sentence you find than many other, and superlative degree you will find in the middle of part of sentence of all. Here also sentence begins with very few. In the middle part of the sentence of comparative you will find than any other, and in the superlative degree, in the middle part of the sentence you will find one of them. So I think means you have to observe and you have to see the lecture very well, and you know you understand this one. Thank you. Good morning, students. Today's topic is degrees of comparison, that is degrees in grammar section. So there are 3 degrees, you know very well from the 5th standard, but here we are going to see the topic in detail. That is the most degrees. What do you mean by degrees? The most adjectives have 3 forms of comparison. How many forms are there of the adjectives? 3 forms. These are positive, comparative and superlative. Positive, comparative and superlative. So they are also called as degrees of comparison. They are called as degrees of comparison. So more example we have seen here ki how they converted in the comparative and superlative. Means positive adjectives are converted into comparative and superlative. So see here the example big. Big will change into bigger in the comparative. Big is the positive adjective, bigger is the comparative adjective, and biggest is the superlative adjective. So what you see the difference between 3 adjectives? You see here is a plain adjective, plain, that is big, B-I-G, but here bigger. So the ER is the suffix joined to the main adjective, ER, okay, for the one syllabic word. So next one, biggest. EST is the form, it is the suffix to join in the superlative degree. Means remember that in the comparative degree we have to use ER or more sometime. If the 2 syllabic words are there, we are using more, and if the 1 syllabic word is there, we are using ER to make the comparative adjective. And in the what is about superlative form? In the superlative form we have to use or we have to join EST form for the 1 syllabic word. And if the 2 syllabic words are there or the adjectives are there, we are using most. Most is the prefix. Here more and most is the prefix, and here ER and EST is the suffix. So see here example big, bigger, biggest. Small. Small is the adjective. Smaller. Again ER is there to make the comparative adjective. Smallest. EST is there. According to the superlative form, EST will come to join the word in the adjective. So smart, smart, smarter, smartest. Then 2 syllabic word. See the example of 2 syllabic. Beautiful. So it is a 2 syllabic word. When the word is or when the adjective is more means big, or we can say 2 syllabic, that time instead of ER we have to use more as a prefix before the adjective, and for making a superlative degree we have to use most instead of EST. So see the difference, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Here valuable means value and able. So 2 syllabic word means for that word we have to use more valuable and most valuable in the superlative degree. So what is the difference between 3 forms? You see that 3 forms, positive, comparative and superlative. If I see, if I have 3 chalk, so if I say this chalk is big, if I say this chalk is big, so this will be bigger, this will be bigger because it is bigger than this one. And if this chalk is in my hand, so I can say that big, bigger, biggest, because it is the biggest in 3 chalk. It is a bigger in 3 chalk, and it is a big, that is big means just big, bigger means very high, that is very big than the first one, and the third one, that is the biggest, like that. If I say small, so this one is smaller and this one is the smallest. Means big means मोठा, bigger अजून मोठा किंवा अधिक मोठा, and biggest means सर्वात मोठा. Small, if I say this is a small, so this one is the smaller, second one is the smaller, and this one is the smallest because it is the smallest piece of this chalk. So small, smaller, smallest. लहान, अजून लहान आणि सर्वात लहान. Here smart, smarter, smartest. Okay. So beautiful, more beautiful means सुंदर, अधिक सुंदर, सर्वात सुंदर. And here we have joined, that is prefix before the beautiful adjective to make the comparative, and we have joined most before the superlative adjective because of it is a superlative form. Valuable, more valuable and most valuable. So number of examples are there, but these are sufficient to understand all of you students. So now we will see some examples of the degrees of comparison for your understanding. C1, degrees converted in 3 ways. How many ways are there? 3 ways. First one, degrees converted in the simple, that is simple form. Degrees beginning with no other, and degrees begins with very few words. Okay, so in simple way, begins with no other, begins with very few. So these are the 3 forms. So examples here, English is as important as science. So see, I have taken 2 subjects name here. First one English and second one science. Means what is the meaning of this sentence? English is as important as science. So means meaning of this sentence is that both English and science subjects are important. Not a single subject, that is not English only important and not science is only important. Both the subjects are important. So if I want to change the sentence into comparative form, so see, this sentence is positive degree and positive form in the positive, because no, not, never, neither, nothing, these negative words or the negations are not there. See here, science, the last word we have to take first while changing the sentence into comparative. Science is, what is the verb auxiliary? Is here. So we have to use not, because if we want to change the sentence into comparative, the sentence meaning will be same, not the meaning will change. So science is not more important than English. So see, the meaning of both the sentences, meaning is same, not change, because of I have used here not word and taken the science word first and taken the last word English. So second example, Ramesh is as clever as Umesh. Means both the Ramesh and Umesh are clever. Okay, they are same in their smartness or their clever intelligence. See here, that is Umesh. Umesh is not cleverer than Ramesh. Means he is not more clever or cleverer than the Ramesh. Both are equal in their intelligence. So in this way we have seen 2 examples here. The next examples are, see here, that degrees are converted into 3 forms. First one is simple, second one started with no other, and third one started with very few. Now see, sentences start with no other. No other country is as beautiful as India. Here I have comparing the country, our country, that is India, with other countries. So what I say, no other country is as beautiful as India. Means India is only one country that is beautiful. This is the meaning of this sentence. But if we want to change this sentence into comparative, that time the last word we have to take first. India is more beautiful than any other country. So P means what? Positive degree. This is a positive, because in the positive as is there. Between 2 as the main adjective will be there. How we have to identify the positive degree? If you see as word and between 2 as, if you see the adjective, basic adjective, that time it is a positive degree. And in the comparative, as will remove. Means these 2 as will be removed when you are going to change the sentence into comparative or in superlative. So see, India is more beautiful than any other country. Okay. And third, that is, it is a comparative degree, because we have compared the sentence, we have compared with than word in all comparative degrees. Third example of superlative, that is the same example we are going to change in the comparative and superlative. India is the most beautiful of all countries. India is the, that is in the all superlative degrees. The word is very important. Without the word the, means article the superlative degree will not make. After that, the word most or est will also there before the or after the adjective. So India is the most beautiful of all countries. Means India is the super or superior country than other of all countries. So it is the example of no other. Next example of no other. So it is which degree it is? It is a superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Next example, no other leader is as famous as Narendra Modi. So here you know that leader. So no other leader is as famous as Narendra Modi. So here Narendra Modi is more famous. You know that the famous word it is an adjective. Okay. So for it we have to use more instead of er. So Narendra Modi is more famous than any other leader, and it is a positive degree. It is a comparative because we compared with the than word and removing as. Now the superlative degree, Narendra Modi is the most famous of all leaders. Okay, means of all leaders. Okay, Narendra Modi is compared with of all leaders, and it is just means he is superior than all leaders. So what I can say in Narendra Modi is the most famous of all leaders. Next example, no other subject is as easy as English. So here again as, okay, and it is a positive degree. Then I say that English is easy subject. Okay, no other subject is as easy as English. Okay, so meaning is that English is the easy subject. So if I want to change the sentence, or if you want to change the sentence into comparative, that time the last word you have to take first, and according to this rule, English is I have taken here English. After that, what is the verb auxiliary? Is the auxiliary. English is. After that, English is easier. Sorry, English is easier than any other subject. Okay, and English is the most. Sorry.